If you use managed events, you have the option of making use of managed workflows. So if you're in an organization and there are a lot of people and you're managing their events for uniformity's sake, then you might also want to manage how notifications are sent outside. You might have specific wording that you want to appear in your workflows. So you use managed workflows. Where do you find those? You go to the admin center there at the bottom and first check on the managed events that you have. You have two of them, and then go to the managed workflows. If you want to know how to make managed events, check one of the videos that I created previously. It explains how these work. Now, on managed workflows, we're just going to choose probably one example, email reminder to invitee. So, as an organization or as an administrator, you want to make a uniform email reminder to an invitee. So let's name this test so that we can identify it when we are checking with the events. Now we're going to choose the events, contract finalization, and new meeting. So what do? We click apply to these two events. Now everything is pretty standard here. And then the next thing that we do is to click save. Once it's saved, we now see that we have an email reminder that is going to go 24 hours before an event starts to an invitee. This is being applied to the contract finalization and the new meeting day. So if we go to the managed events and open one of them, and then we scroll down to see the notifications, you will see that an email reminder called test has been assigned to a managed event. This is a very powerful tool that you can use if you have a large number of accounts that you are working with. You can easily standardize the workflows making use of this function. So if you want probably to edit or delete it, just make use of these three dots there and click edit, and you'll be able to edit how your workflows function. So generally, this is how you make use of managed workflows. If you want to know how to build workflows, take a look at one of the videos that I created. It explains exactly how to build the emails and the workflows as well.